So hello again everybody, a new day, a new project. Today I'm gonna show you how I'm using Voice Live Play GTX from TC-Helicon for playing loop music, for playing my own musical creation, I may say. Okay, first of all, I'm going to set up page number 5. And you see over here we have undo, that's for undo the last recording. And I push that off. Why? Because I have longer memory for sampling. That gives you more space for sampling. And now for going to loop menu is very simple. Button 1 and 2 in the same time, and when you push 1 you start recording. Let me try to make some drums. Okay, so now let's have a kick drum on top of this, and then it's very simple. When you are ready, just push another play and you are starting overdubbing. Okay, exit, and you can go to your favorite voices menu, change effects and voices and all this kind of stuffs. You see here, you can see it, you can feel it already. And let me have a little bit of delay and reverb. Here we go. And now we can do some voices. Go back to loop. Okay. I have to put the voices on. Okay. That is for having a kind of voice repair. Okay. Voices on. Push play and overdub. Turn the verses off. Let me find another menu. This one. Take the reverb out because I want to do a bass track. Go back to loop. Perfect. Okay, now let's have some solo or something on the top of this, and I'm using this with an octave voice, with an upper voice. Let me have a little bit of reverb and delay. There we go. Yes. Go back to loop. Now, if you want to record, it's okay. But if you want to just play on the top of this, it's also nice. Come on, baby. Don't act crazy. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, baby. Don't make me crazy. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. That's it, people. Now if you want to stop, just push stop, and that's it. Now the recording is over there, it's in the machine. If you want to clear it and to start something new, just push stop again, and the memory is clear and it's ready for a new looping session, I may say. That's it. It's nothing else to say about. All you have to do is to work with effects and voices and all this stuff, but this depend of each of us taste and what kind of music we are trying to do. And I think that's it for now. You may see how I'm using that with a guitar and voices and some other stuffs. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you like it, and be safe. Bye bye.